Hello, you're watching Economic Calendar presented to you by ИнстаФорекс News Team and me, Kate Nidachina. The later half of the week is marked with the following macroeconomic events. To begin with, the Staates, Germany's Federal Statistical Office, will release its industrial production report for November 2013. According to the majority of analysts, the indicator has climbed 1.6% on a monthly basis and 3.4% year-over-year. To compare, October's reading came in at minus 1.2% from the previous month and was 1% up from a year ago. Economists said it was to rise 0.8% month-on-month. The decline in the country's industrial output was mainly due to subdued demand for German industrial products. However, according to the outlook of economic ministries, German industrial production is expected to rise again in the coming months. Moreover, consumer price index data will be unveiled in Switzerland. According to economists, Swiss consumer prices have dropped 0.1% in the reporting period. Annually, the indicator has been 0.2% up, experts say. Last month, annual consumer prices rose for the first time in more than 2 years. Prices advanced 0.1%, marking the first increase since September 2011, while analysts expected a 0.1% decline. The consumer price index remained unchanged on a monthly basis in November against the predicted fall of 0.2%. Also, markets are awaiting the release of the United States unemployment rate data on Friday. It is anticipated that the indicator has come in at 7%. In November, the unemployment rate was the lowest since 2009, dropping to 7% from 7.3%. However, the figure does not account for all the jobless people. For example, it does not include those who work 1 hour a week, or those who remain without work for more than 6 months, or those who are in job search desperation and give up looking for work. So it's important that the labor market situation is not so rosy, although it encourages financial authorities. The Fed based just on labor market data when it made a $10 billion reduction in its bond purchases. It was Economic Calendar presented to you by InstаФорекс. Have a nice trading.